introduce you to this convection panel heater. And when I ran into this, tried it out, it is a great product. Now, it only does like 150 square feet, so it's not for massive rooms, but you can combine them. And what's great is this is just sort of like a piece of plastic or some kind of woodish plastic material with heating elements inside it. Now, this thing has been on for, I don't know, 20 minutes. So you can touch it, but it is very, very warm. It comes with 4 holes on each corner and some plastic spacers. So if you want, you can mount this to the wall, or these handy stands. It just slips in there, screws right through, and you can floor mount it. Now, it's 400 watts, so it really is eco-friendly. For the amount of heat that it puts out at only 400 watts, that's only like 3.3 amps. Now let me show you the back side. So the way this works, this is your control panel. Once you turn it on, it stays on. It doesn't shut off. It just keeps generating consistent heat. Now if you want to control it like with a thermostat, because this thing will heat up 150 square foot, I guarantee it. It will make that room warm. So you're probably going to want to add a controllable thermostat to it. They're real simple. They're made just for these. They just plug into your outlet and have a knob to set the temperature. Plug this into the thermostat and you're good to go. It's that simple. A great economical product, easy to use, really basic, come in different sizes. 400 watt is the max. They work their way down. Something else to keep in mind, these can crack. They can have hairlines, cracks in them because the heat is going to wear this thing out over time, but they'll still keep working. The crack doesn't seem to affect anything, just the looks. So if you're looking for something for a smaller space that is eco-friendly, easy to touch, doesn't use a lot of power, this might be a solution. Wall mount it, floor mount it, take it wherever you need. They're pretty nice.